You might want to get logged into your Capcom account from which you can play multiple Capcom games, but you don't know how to do it. I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to get logged into your Capcom account. So without any delay, let's get into the video. For that, go to your Google search option or any of the web browser. Tap on the search option on the top and then enter here Capcom account. And then search for the menu here. So on the top, you will see a link option that is a unified account for Capcom's games and web services. Tap on it, where you'll get on the top a link that is cid.capcom.com. So just above on the top right corner, at the side of the hamburger icon, you can see an option of login. So tap on login option here. As you do it, you will get an option of login or sign up. But since we're trying to get logged into our own account, I'm going to tap on login and then on the top at first, enter your email address related to this particular account. As you've done it, now scroll down and tap on your password option and then enter the password related to this account. When you have just entered both of them successfully, now scroll down and then tap on the bottom the option of login. So you can see that you've successfully logged into your own Capcom ID and here you're onto your account page section. So what you can do is you can scroll down and then tap on this Capcom ID on the top left corner to get onto the homepage section of your Capcom account. And then what you can do is scroll down and get onto the announcements section, get onto the account benefits, and then learn about all of the features, or even you can do any of the things that you want to do related to your Capcom account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.